free, be stopped never through all that's happening.
Hey guys, an epic Beyblade for today.
Yes, today, the final video in the Engine Gear tournament. So yeah, today with Dragoon GT, Galaxy Turbo,
And Driger G. Gatling.
So yeah, after all this time, we ended up in the final round with Dragoon GT and Dragoon GT and Driger G, just like in our original and first video. So coincidental.
Yeah, remix, man, remix.
So yeah, 6 points to win. First round won. And now Dragoon GT's engine gear is better, stadium is better. We've prepared almost a year for this battle to come once again. So let's get it started.
I don't like the other time I'm gonna win this time.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Or not.
So yeah, Dragoon GT takes the first point. Not like our first video. So yeah, see you guys once we're done cranking up. Okay guys, we're back for the second round in the final battle. So yeah, second round.
I counter smash.
Ow. I just got sniped.
I got counter smashed. I countered your attack.
Yeah, that's just a slow motion replay. So yeah, I'm just telling you guys right now, it's still outdoors but in a slightly different location. But it's not.
The grass is wet outside.
Yeah, and it's not on the grass. But hopefully it's gonna rain soon because the clouds are kind of cloudy. So yeah, see you guys once we're done cranking up. Okay guys, we're back for the third round. The score is 1-1. They need 6 points to win. Third round. Oh, you were just sealing and I knocked you in the back. That's gonna count for some major.
Seal.
Well, you were leaning and then I hit you from behind.
Yeah. Man, it's not really aggressive.
Dragoon GT?
Yeah, it's not really aggressive.
So I used my engine gear, so that basically takes up all his power.
Still, it should be more aggressive. It's a tip.
Tie. So yeah, it was a tie. Score still 1-1 going to round 4. See you guys once it's done cranking up. Okay guys, we're back for round 4. Fourth round. Yeah, that was pretty aggressive. Flashy for just a second there. Why isn't Driger like moving around a lot?
Oh no, mine here's like broken probably.
Do you crank it up?
Yeah, I cranked it to the max. Oh well.
Driger.
I guess it has a lot of stamina, that's why.
Driger.
Awesome.
So sadly, score is 2-1 with Driger winning. See you guys for round 5. Okay, guys, we're back for round 5.
Yep.
Fifth round. Oh!
Wow, epic knockout. Slow motion knockout, man.
And you don't think that's aggressive? Dragoon GT has its skills back.
Hasn't mean got his skills back, that grammar man.
He has his skills once again. He got his rubber tip flattened.
Whatever.
So yeah, see you guys once we're done cranking up. Guys, we're back for round 6. Score still 2-1. 6 rounds. Oh man, I could have gotten a knockout.
Yeah.
Very silent.
Like a cat, man. Cat. A tiger. Swoop. Just want to kill. It's be very silent, but also probably will know about it.
I'm a dragon, fool.
Yeah, that's not anything. Go whoa, whoa.
I'll snap your back and then eat you.
No, dragons outside. They're like whoa, whoa, fire, slash, eating, nom nom nom.
Well, sadly, you got your third point, so the score is 3-1. Hopefully, Dragoon will catch up. See you guys then. Back for round 7. Score 3-1. 7.
Over there. Oh, so close. Almost some kind of knockdowns.
No, I haven't getting any knockouts.
Maybe engineers aren't that powerful anymore. Worn out. Where's your tip?
Dragoon!
Oh yeah.
Score sadly 4-1. Hopefully Dragoon can catch up. So we need Dragoon to catch up. We can't let Dragoon win, right? I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, we're back for round 8.
Yep.
So 8th round.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's a comeback, I tell you. A comeback.
Sure.
So Dragoon GT takes the second point. So see you guys when it's done cranking up. Guys, we're back for round 9 with a score of 2-4. So 9th round. You gotta get more stadium mounts.
Nah, bro, that's you don't need more of that.
You're just saying that because you have stamina, and with the stamina you're gonna... That's just cheap. Luckily I have a rubber tip.
Tie.
Oh. So, we're gonna move on to the 10th round with score still 2-4. See you guys then. Okay guys, it's round 10. 10th round. So yeah, 10th round.
Oh, look at that. Another stadium mounts.
Oh well. Dragoon GT is gonna make an epic comeback to once again win, just like the first video. So yeah, score is 3-4. We're almost near the end of the video. See you guys when it's done cranking up. Okay guys, we're back for round 11.
7-11.
Round 11, we got our base cranked up. The score is 3-4. It seems like it's gonna be neck to neck, bit chip to bit chip. 11th round.
Oh my god, another knockout.
Dragoon just making an epic comeback. His score's 4-4 and only
comeback.
Well, it scores 4-4. Just 2 points needed for both bays to win. See you guys then. Guys, we're back for round 12 with our bays all cranked up. Score 4-4. It seems very close. So 12 rounds. Oh no, I'm on the.
Oh yeah.
That seemed very predictable.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, the score is 4-5. It's gonna be the closest match we've ever had, and we're gonna be moving on to round 13. See you guys then. Back for round 13. I'm pretty sure this is the furthest, longest battle we've ever been through.
Yes, indeed.
So, 13th round. Sounds so weird if you. No, Dragoon.
Yes, Dragoon.
No.
Yes.
If I go down, at least go down with a fight.
No, not really. You're hopeless. You're out your power.
No. Oh, wow. Clutch.
Seriously.
Okay, so that was round 13. See you guys for round 14. Okay, guys, we're back for round 14. And Dragoon just clutched it last round. So 14th round.
Wow, more. Oh no, the way is going from the boundaries.
Outside the boundaries.
Yes.
So yeah, it's miraculously still tied up for Dragoon GT, so he still has a chance. See you guys at round 15. Okay guys, round 15 scores 4-5. Dragoon GT has 4, Dragoon has 5. This is gonna be so epic.
Yeah.
That's a good way to end the battle, the tournament.
Let's go.
So 15 rounds.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
My victory.
Oh no.
My victory is in the bag.
In the bit chip or in the engine gear?
In the bag. No. Yes.
No.
Mario wins it. He is no longer the underdog. Max is now the underdog. Haha, Max. You suck.
What?
Well, I guess Ray feels happy now. He's like, I lost to what's his name with Geigers. I lost to Max. I lost to everybody. I lost to Kyle. I even lost to Kenny in the outtakes. It was really sad actually. I lost to like everybody, but now I won against this.
If only you'd rain, it'd be so anime-like when you lose. Like no. So in the end,
you get a bucket of water.
No. So in the end, Dragoon GT lost. It's a sad day for.
And you're gonna get the golden cup.
It's a sad day for Japan. But a good day for China. So, after almost 2 months of this engine gear battle,
it's not only summer anymore. It's really fall.
Taking so long for me to upload these videos, 2 or 4 uploads on every Thursday. It finally ended up Jigger finally beating Dragoon in engine gear tournament.
Anticlimactic.
So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Yay, Drigger!